got food is his friend.
Hi, baby. Hi.
And if you got high value things like cheese, they're even better for you.
God, Precious.
This is great. My dogs are an hour away back home, so.
That's what I hear a lot of people say. Oh, it makes
My dog's 2 hours.
Here, if anybody wants to see him, just put it in your hand and he'll take it. And I will get
Oh, so gentle.
He's so soft.
Sit.
He's soft.
He's very gentle. He's never been. Okay,
I love schnauzers.
so do I.
Hey, baby.
And I've got a baby. She's in obedience school this week. And hopefully she'll come back a new dog. Because I'd like to bring her next year.
Hey, Narlin. I have a boxer at home, and if he wasn't deaf, I probably would have put him in school for it. And he's 2.
Yeah, my little one will be 2 in April. And that's a really good age.
He's 10 now, but we did train him sign language. So
Oh, did you?
yeah, he knows like certain signals.
Neat. You gonna sit? Thank you. What a good boy. What a good boy. Can you stay?
Here in the library for Therapeutic Thursdays. Today is Pet Therapy Day. So these are some of the dogs that we're petting.
Dog back there if y'all want to go pet it.
They're all so sweet.
This is a little overwhelming. That one.
Before she moves out.
Hi.
So what kind is he?
Siberian Husky.
Oh my goodness, I love you.
She was a rescue.